Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lafina and today we're going to do a dance tutorial on a learner class from 1 Million Dance Studio, and it's Calm Down by Rema and Selena. And yeah, it's choreography by Lia Kim. There's a very fun, very easy choreography. It's just like feeling the music, having fun, enjoying yourself. And yeah, I would say the difficulty level for this choreography is probably 5 out of 10, and it's only 3 or 4 it counts, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's very short, so let's get right into it. And so this video is mirrored, so this is your left and this is your right. This choreography probably took me 10 to 15 minutes to learn it, so I'm sure beginners at home, this is a choreography that you can learn it under 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. So from the beginning, don't let this part scares you. It looks difficult, but it's not. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go, so the beginning, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, let's do our hand first. Our hand is gonna come up to here. So yeah, both of your hands are facing down. From here, you're gonna go switch over from here. Okay, so this is 5, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5, 6. From here, you're gonna go twist. Okay, so from here, let's try that again. We're gonna just go around with our arms. So around, okay, around with your wrist. Okay, so from here, there's over here, you're gonna come up to over here and you're gonna go twist. Okay, from here, you're gonna go up, down. Okay, so from here, your hands are just gonna go tap, tap. And your body's gonna go open your legs up. You're gonna go open up again. Okay, let's try that again. So let's just do the hands. The hands, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna go switch over and we're gonna go around. From here, you're gonna go tap, tap. So your head is actually gonna go tap, tap. Let's try that again. Are literally going out and up, out and up. So let's try that again. So from here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so this is not difficult at all. Once you get the hand down, there's nothing changing with the hand. It's just a little turn. From here, there's tap, tap. Okay, let's try that again, and then we're gonna move on. So 5, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, and from here, we're gonna go tap, tap, and out, tap. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, your legs are only going out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay, so your hand is just gonna go to the right. Oh, sorry. So your hand is only going to the left and right and left and right. Just keep doing this. Out and out and out and out. So yeah, your hand just go as further as you can. Lower yourself down. Just go as low as you can, low as you can. So there's just like a groove. Okay, so let's try that again. So we only have to do it 3 times. So from here, this is 1, 2, and 3, and tap. So we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna have our legs together. We're gonna go jump. And so there's out, out, and jump. Okay, from here we're gonna go down again and down. Okay, so after this, 5, 6. From here you're gonna go step back your left leg. You're just gonna go tap over here. Your chest, your hand is like around your chest. From here you're gonna go tap, and you're gonna come up over here. And you're gonna use your hand like pat, pat, like pat, pat. Okay, so yeah. There's no chest involved. If you want to, you can add into it a little own spice. Okay, from here, tap, tap. From here, your hand is just gonna come down and down. Okay, and your leg is gonna come up, and you're gonna start to face to the front. Let's try that again. Just pat, pat. This down, and keep going with your legs. Okay, so that's just 4 times. Okay, from here, pat, pat. Just keep doing with the legs, and then your hand down, down. Okay, let's add into the hand. From here, we're gonna go tap, tap. We're gonna go down and down. From here, once we step back down, the legs is the same, and we're gonna go tap, tap. Okay, so your hand is just gonna go clap on the side. Let's try that again. From here, this pat, pat. From here, down and pat and pat. Okay, so your legs are the same thing. It's just your arms. So from here, let's try that again. This tap, tap. From here, down and pat, pat. From here, we're gonna go kick our right leg. We're gonna go. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go kick our right leg. So we don't put it down on the floor yet. We're gonna go kick and then step and tap, and we're just gonna come up over here. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, there's tap, tap. So from here, there's tap, tap. We're gonna go down and tap and tap. This is the new part. This is gonna go tap and. Okay, so without putting it down, we're gonna go kick and we're gonna go step on our right, back, and then front. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, after this is tap and tap. We're gonna go kick and tap up. Okay, so this is gonna go up and up, kick and turn up. Okay, from here, let's try that one more time and then we're gonna move on. Okay, so from here, there's up and up, kick and tap, tap. After up, we're gonna come down over here. So from here, your hand's just gonna come down and pat over here. Let's try that again. Boom, pat. Okay, and your legs are just gonna go in, ta, in and out. Let's try that again. From here, this in, out. From here, we're gonna come back up again. We're gonna do the same thing with our legs. Ta. So your hand is just gonna go up from here, down from here, and then up again. Okay, let's try that again. From here, you're gonna go down and up. Okay, up. Okay, let's try to do this again. So this is from here. After kick, you're gonna go step, turn, up. You're gonna come down, and you're gonna come back up. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, kick this 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so from here, this is gonna be the chill part now. Okay, so from here, this is gonna go out, out. Okay, so your legs are gonna come out and out. So this out, in, out, in. Okay, so from here, you're gonna come, your hand is gonna go out, out. So it's to the side, to your right, ha. So yeah, that's very relaxing. Just enjoy the music and enjoy yourself. This ha, ha. Okay, from here, we're gonna go. Okay, so from here, let's try that again. Okay, so let's try it from here. Okay, there's up and down and up. From here, there's out, out. Okay, let's try that. Let's focus on the hand first. Okay, so from here, we're gonna come down, we're gonna come back out, and then we're gonna go ta, ta. Okay, let's focus on our leg now. So our leg is just gonna go from here. We're gonna come in and out. So there's the same motion. Ta, ta, and ta, ta. It's the same leg. Okay, so from here, let's try that again. So from here, there's down and up and in first, and then you're gonna go out, out. Okay, so let's try that again from here. From here, there's in, up, and in, and then out, 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 out. From here, you're gonna go heels in, toes. Okay, so from here, you're gonna go in and in. Let's try that again. From here, there's out, out. From here, you're gonna go in and in with your left leg. Let's try that again. This out, out, and this is in and in. Okay, so your hand is just gonna go round, making like a circle in front of you. So there's ta and ta. Let's try that again. There's ta and ta. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go out and ta, ta. Okay, let's try that again from here. There's out and ta, ta. One more time. There's gonna be out and ta, ta. From here. This is actually a workout. I'm sweating so much. Okay, start from here. We're gonna go kick and ta, up and down and up. From here, you're gonna go in with your knee, and then you're gonna go out and boom, boom. Let's try that one more. Okay. So from here, this is after clap, clap, kick and ta, up and down and up, in, out and in. One more time with that. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go clap. Okay, from here, there's gonna be clap, clap, kick and ta, up and down and up, in, out and in. Okay, should we link everything from the top, let's say? Okay, so from here, there's gonna go one, okay, from here. Okay, 5, 6, okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Out. So after out, in, step back up together, and we're gonna go out with our leg. So your hand is gonna come up as well. Look to the right. We're gonna go ta from here. Okay. Make sure that you have the balance for it. Okay, so from here up. From here you're gonna go turn over to the side. Okay. So up. Okay, so from here you're gonna go out. From here you're gonna go turn, and you can use your hand to guide it as well. Guide it over here. Okay, let's try that again. So from here, there's out and ta, over, ha. Okay, and from here there's gonna be down and up again, in, out and in and ta, and then turn over from here. Okay, so from here, we're just gonna step back our right leg, and we're gonna go out with our left leg. We're gonna go ta, in. So your hand is just gonna go out from on the side with your left leg, in, back again, and then out. Your hand is just gonna go ta. Okay, so there's out and ta, in. Okay, out and ta, in. From here, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go low, 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 low. From here, ta, ta. Okay, so from here, there's out and in and out, around and ta, in. From here, we're gonna go boom, 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 boom. So yeah, just think about that you have a strap over here, like you're wearing a tank top. So there's ta, 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 ta. Okay, so when you go on your right shoulder, you're gonna go lean to your left. So there's out to the ground. Okay, So from here, there's gonna be ta, ta, and ta, ta, and we're gonna go ta, and down, and. Okay, from here, all the way to the ground, and we're gonna come up. Okay, so from here, we're gonna come out with with your hand coming out. Okay, so from here, after, out, down, 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 we're gonna come back up, and from here, your right hand is gonna come all the way up and bring your whole body from here. Okay, so let's try that again. So there's down, 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 and we're gonna come up. So your right hand is going around, and your left hand is just touching it, and then you're gonna bring yourself over here. So let's try that again. So from here, we're gonna go down, 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 down. We're gonna come back up. From here, we're gonna go clap, clap, and we're gonna go twist, and. Okay, so after clap, clap, twist, and then when you step back down, come on. Okay, after twist, you're gonna go step back down. You're gonna go no, 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 no. So just touch your body and bounce a little bit. You can do anything. No, no, no. Your hand can do anywhere. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the choreography. This is gonna be down, 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 down. We're gonna come back up. Clap, clap, twist, and tap, 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 tap. Okay, so let's come up a little bit. We're gonna go, let's say, from here. Okay, circle. Okay, so from here, there's gonna be out, out, and. So from here, there's gonna be out, out, and in, and ta, around, and over, ha, and down, 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 down. We're gonna come back up. We're gonna go clap, clap, twist, ta, 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 ta. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of the choreography, and let me do the counts for you guys for the last part. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let's just do the top with the counts, everything together. Okay, so from here. Okay, so from the top, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, so there's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay. So from here, 8, and there's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and tap, 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 tap. Okay, that's the end of the choreography. Thank you so much for learning this dance with me. If you guys want to learn it with music, I have a dance cover for this video, and it's going to be mirrored, so you guys can just follow what you see, and I'm going to put it down for 75% and 100%, so you guys can just learn it with the slow music, and then once you get comfortable, you can learn it with the full speed. So yeah, this dance is very short, very fun, so just enjoy yourself, like out, out, and pop. Enjoy. There's not much technique to it. Enjoy. Down, down, and ha. Up and down and up. Ooh, ooh, and ha. Yeah, just enjoy yourself and enjoy yourself. I love this song, and I'm sure you guys know the song as well. So yeah, have fun, keep dancing, and if you guys want to learn more choreography, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll post more tutorial every single 2 days. So yeah, right now I'm posting learner classes. This one is a learner class, so it's perfect for all the beginners dancer at home. Even if you have never danced before, I'm sure that I'll explain it slowly that you guys will understand. Okay. If you guys find this tutorial helpful, please give me a like, and if you guys want to buy me a cup of coffee to support me, the Ko-Fi link is down below. Any donation is very appreciated. It just gives me more joy in dancing, and I can make higher quality videos for you guys as well. So yeah, thank you so much. Really appreciate you all. And we're almost hitting 18K. I think we only need 50 more subscribers to 18K, and my next goal will be 20K. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Let's go over 20K. I'm really happy that I started this YouTube channel 2 years ago. I think it's almost 3 years now. So yeah, thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.